Hey everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make a quick and easy watermelon juice. And stick around till the end because I'm going to show you how to cut pretty watermelon slices too. Alright, so to start, you're going to take your watermelon and just flip it on its side. And we're going to cut either end off. So be careful if you have a big watermelon like I do. But just cut one end off. And the other like that. And then we're gonna flip it on its side. So that way now it's stable. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna angle our knife like this, and we're gonna follow the shape of the watermelon. So just like that. And then what we're gonna do is just turn it slightly and do the same cut straight down. If you missed some of the green, don't worry, we can go back and clean it up. And these big pieces, we can just toss them. Okay, almost there. All right, now, if you missed a little bit like I did, you can, at this point, you can go back through and just clean it up if you like. Or we can, now we're just gonna simply chop it in half and then we'll clean it up after. So, and if you didn't make the cut all the way through, just flip it around and then you can finish cutting on that side. And we're just gonna work with half of the watermelon at a time. So I'm just gonna set this aside. All right, now flip it on its side like that. And you can see we actually did miss a bunch, so I'm just gonna clean it up real quick. All right, so now we're gonna dice up the watermelon into chunks so it's easier to work with. So, to make it a little bit easier, now I'm gonna flip it on the side like this. And depending on how big you want your watermelon chunks, I'm just gonna make couple different cuts here. Then I'm gonna flip it back on its side. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing here. Depending on how big you want your dice. We're just blending it up, so this is just gonna make it a little bit easier to blend. All right, flip it again, and just straight down. All right, next we're gonna blend it up and make the juice. Just gonna take some of the chunks here and we're just gonna blend it up in batches. All right, so that it blends a little bit easier, I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to it. Screw my Ninja. I'm working with a Ninja, but obviously you can use a blender as well. Okay, let's blend it. And that's it. Oh my God, so simple. It literally took like 2 seconds. All right, so now your watermelon juice is ready to be chilled and enjoyed. If you like less pulp, then you can just take a strainer like this and strain the pulp out. But if you like the pulp like I do, then it's all set. Now you can just take your glass here and just fill it up. If you like it chilled over ice, you can enjoy it right away. Otherwise, you can go ahead and save it in the fridge for up to a week. Another option is you can also make ice cubes. If you have a lot of watermelon like I do and you want it to last longer, just go ahead and throw the juice in an ice cube tray and freeze it, and then you'll have watermelon ice cubes. Now I'm gonna show you how to make pretty watermelon slices. Okay, so first I have my little watermelon here. I'm just gonna cut off either end. And we're just gonna cut it in half. And then we're gonna work with 1/2 at a time. And now, we're just gonna I'm gonna cut the end off of this one. You can discard this one. And now we just wanna make them the same thickness. So just Take your knife, make a slice like this, and just continue. And I like to throw this little odd piece on the end away. Slices are all ready to be fanned out, so you can fan them out like this, and it'll be super pretty on a platter if you're having a barbecue or having people over. You can also cut up other melons and do the same technique, and you can fan them all out nicely. And that's how you make quick and easy watermelon juice and watermelon slices. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If so, hit like and subscribe to my cooking channel for more awesome cooking videos like this one. And happy eating! Yum!